This is a tutorial on the role service. I am on the main area of the method, and this is the administration section for the roles. I have to be logged in to be able to change the roles. There is the first area, which is called Add New Role. I can select a username in this area and add it to the list of current role assignments. The list of current role assignments is displayed below, and it shows all current assignments and shows the respective role on the right side. I can easily remove the role by clicking the red symbol. If I want to add a new role, I can select a username and just enter it in the bar, and the red bar becomes green once the username exists. I click Select Role and select the member, owner, or contact role which I want to add, and then click on the button Add Role. Once this is done, the current role will be added to the list of role assignments, and I can see the contact role that I just added. And if I want to, I can easily remove it by clicking on the red X symbol.